Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making strawberry shortcake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. For the strawberries, you will need 2 pounds of fresh strawberries, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. For the biscuits, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1½ cups of heavy cream. For your whipped topping, you'll need 1½ cups of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Thoroughly rinse your strawberries and remove the stems. Now cut the strawberries and place them in a bowl. Add 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 cup of sugar to your strawberries and mix well. Now transfer the strawberries to your refrigerator and allow them to sit for at least 4 hours. In a separate bowl, sift together your flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Create a well in the center of your dry ingredients, then add the heavy cream and vanilla. Mix together until you have a dough-like consistency, being careful not to overmix. Line an 8-inch pan with parchment paper and spray with cooking oil and lightly dust with flour. Place the dough in your pan, then transfer it to your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove your biscuit from the oven and place it on a wire rack. Allow it to cool for 5 minutes, then remove your biscuit from the pan and return to the wire rack. If you're looking for a pound cake recipe to go with your strawberries, please check out my pound cake recipe by clicking the icon above. To make the whipped topping, add the heavy cream, vanilla, and sugar to a stand mixer. Start your mixer on low, then slowly increase your speed to high. Mix your cream until peaks are formed, being careful not to overmix. After your whipped cream is done, assemble your strawberry shortcake by layering the juiced strawberries and your whipped cream as you desire. This is a classic recipe for strawberry shortcake. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.